Hello, welcome to Fantasy Hands Challenge Day 17. What I'm painting today is a dwarf. Dun 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 dun. Finally the biggest challenge. Why would I say that? So in Ahmed's Pinterest board, there is this group of dwarves dressed in various costumes. They look quite different from the others, including elves, demons, orcs, and etc., which I have kind of already painted in the previous days. The difference is not because of their physical characteristics, it's only because their whole bodies, rather than only heads, are framed in the photo. I'm now confident painting faces and masks, but not that much confidence for the whole body yet. The reason is pretty straightforward: practice. It's just because I haven't practiced as much full body anatomy as those heads. But it's alright, no one knows everything in the beginning. I just gotta start and learn from doing. And indeed, I've learned a lot from today's painting. So when I'm now, at the moment, looking back to the time-lapse recording, I noticed that the proportion is not quite right. His head and those keys in his hands could be bigger. So then we can easily tell he's a dwarf. He wears a silky vest and a golden watch, and he is holding a giant keychain full of keys. So I guess he looks like either a landlord, or a butler, or perhaps a concierge. I decided to go with concierge for today's background. And my first reaction was to paint those wooden key racks at luxury hotels' reception. But somehow I don't want to paint rigid structures. Then I found a photo of Grand Budapest hotel keys. They look pretty organized, yet not rigidly hung in a grid. So here we go, I painted some floating keys and doors overlapping in the background. Just when I'm at this very moment when I'm recording this voiceover, I thought of another thing to improve. I could have added perspective by playing with shadows and sizes of these objects in the background. Like smaller objects to indicate further and bigger objects to indicate closer to the viewer. So then we can easily see they are floating in a three-dimensional space. Alright, next time. I love tassels, so I enjoyed very much to paint their wavy shapes and bright colors. Uh-oh, I noticed more things to improve. His left leg should have darker shadows. The light in the reference photo seems to come from the upper left and upper right corners. Wow, I think I didn't manage to arrange highlights and shadows in the background to hint their light sources. For example, I could have painted the turquoise background with brighter center spot, which gradually blends into dark edges or dark corners. I could also have painted the highlights on those keys in a better way. Okay, I think I'll just take these notes down and try to be more aware next time. Truly a learning curve today. Hey, some self-promotion here. Hin Und Her is my channel's name. You are very much welcome to subscribe. That would be great support. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. I wish you a lovely weekend and see you next week. Bye bye.